Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting sound into Logic quickly. Connect your interface and choose the sample rate because matching rates avoids clicks. Create an audio track, select the correct input, then arm and enable input monitoring so you can hear while you record. Once done, set a conservative buffer, usually 64 to 256 samples, to balance latency and CPU. Adjust preamp gain so peaks sit around -6 dB. This preserves headroom. Make one test take to confirm levels before. Now you move into the middle of the process where choices matter. Engage cycle recording if you want multiple takes. Logic will stack these into take folders, so comping is easier. Make sure to enable low latency mode when you're using latency-heavy plugins, and temporarily bypass reverb or master effects so monitoring stays tight. If you're recording MIDI, run it to a software instrument track and focus on feel. You can quantize or edit timing later. Keep visual cues and markers to navigate takes efficiently. Finish by cleaning and exporting. Comp your best phrases using quick swipe comping, then trim and add short fades to avoid clicks. Apply corrective EQ and light compression before bouncing. Choose 24-bit or 32-bit float exports depending on final use. Once your mix is ready, use file bounce to create stems or a stereo master. If things go wrong, like no input or silent playback, check the interface routing. Ensure the sample rate matches the project. Verify track input and monitoring, and confirm the interface gain is up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.